So what are you eating? Egg. That's toast. Yep. Oh yeah, we gotta take a video before we can watch it. Where's your toast? Which one is your toast? Good girl. Which one is your egg? Where's your egg? Egg, good girl. Where's your banana? Where's your strawberry? Good girl. Where's your spoon? Good girl. Good girl. Eat your breakfast. Good girl. Who's a good girl? Soren's a good girl. Okay. Good girl. Soren's a good girl. Barney's a good boy. Barney's a good dinosaur. Yeah.
I'm sure it's around here somewhere.
We'll help you find it. Oh, would you please? Oh, thank you.
Good girl. Spoon. More? You can have more. Go ahead. You eat it. You eat it. Good girl.
You see circles,
Toast. Egg. Banana. Strawberry. Egg. Good girl. Toast. Eat some egg. Good girl. Throw a kiss. No? Okay. Spoon. Spoon. Oh, the girl's at the bottom of your dish. You have to eat your food and you'll see the girl. You have to eat your food and you'll see the girl. If you eat your food, you'll see the girl. Her name is Dora. Eat your food, you'll see Dora. Good girl. Yeah. Grandma's sleeping. And Dylan's sleeping. Grandma's sleeping. Egg. Dora. Yes, Dora. Dora's in there. It's Dora. You eat your food, you'll see Dora. Good girl. Egg. Is it hot? It's okay. It's good.